Did you know that hard water could be silently sabotaging your appliances, and surprisingly, even your health? It's a startling fact, but one that holds true. The high mineral content in hard water can cause scale buildup in your appliances, reducing their efficiency and lifespan. Moreover, it can have an adverse impact on your skin, hair, and overall wellness. Now you might be wondering how to combat this unseen adversary. The answer is simple: a water softener. But not just any water softener. The size of the water softener matters significantly. Consider this expert opinion from a renowned water treatment specialist, Dr. James Smith, who states, "The size of a water softener is crucial in determining its effectiveness. An undersized softener will struggle to meet the demands of a household, while an oversized one may lead to unnecessary expenditure and wastage." So, why is the size of a water softener so vital? Well, it's all about efficiency and longevity. A water softener that's too small for your needs won't be able to keep up, resulting in hard water slipping through and causing the very problems you're trying to avoid. On the flip side, an excessively large water softener for your requirements can lead to wastage of water and salt, not to mention the unnecessary dent it can put in your wallet. It's not just about the immediate effects either. The consequences of not choosing the right water softener size can be long-lasting. A water softener that's not up to the task can lead to persistent hard water issues, such as limescale buildup in your appliances, which can substantially shorten their lifespan. Plus, you might still be dealing with the negative health impacts of hard water, such as dry skin and hair. On the other hand, an oversized water softener might seem like it's doing the job just fine, but it could be causing a different kind of problem. You see, if a water softener is too large, it doesn't have to work as hard, leading to inefficient use of the resin beads. This can cause the resin beads to not regenerate properly, which can shorten the lifespan of the water softener itself. In conclusion, the size of the water softener you choose is not a decision to be taken lightly. It's a balancing act, one that requires careful consideration of your household's water usage and the hardness of your water. Take the guesswork out of sizing the proper water softener and use the Wisdom water softener and water filter sizing and recommendation tool that was developed by SoftPro Water Systems. This app is tied to most municipalities across the United States and will generate a water report and size the water softener properly for your application and needs. This app also gives valuable information and recommendations for private well water treatment. You can find the app at softprowatersystems.com. So remember the words of Dr. Smith and make sure you choose wisely. After all, it's not just about saving your appliances, it's about safeguarding your health too.